You don't need a genius IQ to become a billionaire. Surprised? You shouldn't be. What simple strategies are billionaires using that you might be missing? First off, let's debunk a common myth. Being a billionaire isn't about being the smartest person in the room. No, it's about leveraging a few simple yet powerful strategies. Becoming a billionaire is actually very easy if you know what to do. You don't need a revolutionary tech idea or a trust fund. What you need is a game plan, and that's what we're here to talk about. So what are these strategies? The first one is probably something you've heard a million times, but maybe never fully appreciated. Invest early and invest often. You don't need to be a stock market guru. Just start small. Imagine you put a bit of money into an index fund every month. Over time, that money grows exponentially. This is the magic of compound interest. Even if you start with just a little, consistent investing will make your money grow significantly over the years. Another strategy billionaires use is to never stop learning. Now, I know this sounds like one of those vague pieces of advice you see on a motivational poster, but hear me out. We're not talking about formal education. Many billionaires dropped out of college. What they do is constantly consume information that's relevant to their goals. They read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with smarter people. They learn about the industries they want to dominate. They understand market trends, and they know what moves to make before anyone else does. I have a video about learning fast. You can check it out after this video. Networking is another biggie. Billionaires understand that who you know can be just as important as what you know. They build relationships with other successful people and leverage these connections to open doors. It's about creating a web of influence where opportunities flow freely. Now, here's a tactic that's often overlooked. Billionaires are masters of leveraging other people's time and money. They delegate tasks to focus on what they do best. Think of it this way. If you spend all your time on small tasks, you won't have the bandwidth to tackle the big ones. By hiring the right people and outsourcing effectively, you can scale your efforts exponentially. Billionaires are also risk takers, but not in the way you might think. They take calculated risks. They weigh the potential downsides and upsides, and if the potential reward outweighs the risk, they go for it. This doesn't mean they jump into every opportunity blindly. They do their homework, understand the risks, and have contingency plans in place. Another crucial point is diversification. Billionaires rarely put all their eggs in one basket. They invest in various industries, start multiple businesses, and have different streams of income. This not only protects them from losing everything if one venture fails, but it also increases their chances of hitting it big in multiple areas. And let's not forget about mindset. Billionaires have a growth mindset. They believe in their ability to learn and adapt. They see failures as learning opportunities rather than setbacks. This resilience and adaptability are key to overcoming the inevitable obstacles on the path to wealth. Investing early, continuous learning, networking, leveraging others, calculated risk-taking, diversification, and a resilient mindset are the cornerstones of billionaire success. These aren't pie-in-the-sky ideas. They're practical steps you can start implementing today. Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Follow the proven strategies that billionaires use, and you might find that becoming a billionaire is easier than you ever thought possible. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving your financial dreams.